A tornado completely destroyed this family's home, but miraculously, it couldn't touch these two things. The Greenwood family heard the sirens going off as a warning a tornado was coming through. So they grabbed their little children and they all piled into a tiny closet, praying that they would be safe. When they opened the door, they couldn't believe what they saw. All the furniture was smashed, the home was falling apart, but there were two things that were completely untouched. The family Bible was still in its place, and up on the wall was the 10 Commandments. The family knew that it was God's way of saying that He would never leave them or forsake them. If you love Jesus, type "I love Jesus" in the comments and follow or subscribe for more true stories like this.